everyone, this is Gaga here back with another video. So today in this video I'm just going to give my opinion. See the mother life. This is the reason I'm not uploading videos recently, okay? She is just kicking me. Let's ignore her for a while. So let's get our work done. Okay. So I ordered few products from URBANIC. Okay. So URBANIC is a online clothing site. So I ordered two dresses and I received them also. So in this video, I'm just going to show you the process of ordering, receiving, and I'm just going to do a try on haul also. So don't expect like too many dresses. This is the actual time I'm trying clothes from URBANIC. First time I tried was the initial days of they launching their site. So in this video, you will see everything, and finally I'm going to give my final verdict if you can trust URBANIC or not. So let's get into the video. You are seeing the screen recording of my phone, okay? So you can download this URBANIC app from Play Store. They have so much of dresses. There is always offer going on, denims, blouses, everything is there. And I have ordered this blue color dress. This is mentioned 1432 and I have ordered this, and this looks so lovely, right? And I ordered this one more mustard color white combination dress mentioned 1192. So the both these dress together, they costed me around 2374. Ta-da! See what I received. I just received our parcel from URBANIC. Let's see what I ordered and what I received matches my expectation. So look at that dress now. This looks so beautiful. Such a nice bright navy blue. I don't have this color at all in my collection. This has got nice, tie up in your neck area. This looks professional also. And here they have a tie up for your sleeve. You can just want to tighten it, you can tighten it. And they have an elastic in your chest area. This gives a nice shape to your body, and the material is really good. Nice cotton fabric suitable for the summer. And overall this dress looks so good, and I will definitely give a 9 out of 10, and the cost of this dress is 1296, which is amazing, and of course I got it in an offer price. So first piece, that is what I ordered, with what I received, didn't go wrong, right? Looks nice. Yeah. So this is the second dress that I ordered from URBANIC, and look at the dress now. Let me know. And this comes with a tie. Okay. So this is how the model have tied her dress. So yeah. Let me know this dress looks with the tie or without the tie. I don't know. Let me know. But I think I like both the way. But yeah. So this dress, guys, this is a nice, very nice mustard yellowish color with, they have white color attachments here, and the bottom, as I've shown you, they have the attachments here. This is like, the material is, I think it's crepe material, or I'm not very sure, but overall this dress looks very nice, not at all bad. But while ordering, when I saw the picture, I was expecting a little bit different, but then still not so bad. Looks cute, very nice and very unique. And the cost of this dress is 1078. For this price point, I think this is a very nice dress. Imagine now, the material and the stitching charges, everything together is 1079, which is amazing, right? So I will suggest you guys to just go, blind with Urbanic. But one thing, just read the description of the dress, okay? See the sizes and read everything about that particular clothing and then order. And they have simple and easy return policy also. If there's something is not fitting you well and if you don't like that dress, you can easily return and order something else. So Urbanic is a yes, you can just go buy from them. So please hit that subscribe button because I'm trying so much to work it here in this YouTube platform, and I'm trying to upload videos every week. So stay connected. Yeah. Bye bye.